We must unite as one nation. We must unite as one nation.
Shut up. Nobody wants to hear that now. Is it right? Yes. Or was that whole "we must unite as one nation" energy when you were saying this?
Donald Trump and the MAGA Republicans represent an extremism that threatens the very foundations of our republic. But there's no question that the Republican Party today is dominated, driven, and intimidated by Donald Trump and the MAGA Republicans. And that is a threat to this country. MAGA Republicans do not respect the Constitution. They do not believe in the rule of law. They do not recognize the will of the people. MAGA forces are determined to take this country backwards to an America where there is no right to choose, no right to privacy, no right to contraception, no right to marry who you love. Trump and the extreme MAGA Republicans quote a clear and present danger to our democracy.
Now, does that sound very uniting to you guys? Democrats have been turning up the rhetoric for years. They call Trump Hitler. They say he's a Nazi. They say he's a fascist. They say he's going to take away your rights. They say he's going to destroy the world. They say he's going to turn our country into a totalitarian landscape. They say he's going to turn it into an apocalyptic landscape. They say he's going to take away all your rights. They say he's going to destroy our country as you know it. They say he's going to destroy the democracy. He's a threat to the democracy. He's going to take your rights away. They say our country will be destroyed if he becomes president. They say the worst possible things they could say about this man. And Joe Biden has played a significant part in it and wants to have the audacity to say, let's get together. You've had 3.5 to 4 years to work on that. And all you've done is divide the country. I want you to ask yourself, all those things I just listed out, what if someone is dumb enough to actually believe all of that? If they truly believe he's a threat to the democracy, he's going to destroy the world, he's going to take away your rights, he's going to do all these things to you. If they truly believe that, and they see that he's winning in the polls and has a 70% chance to win, in their mind, what is the only logical conclusion to stop him from getting into the White House? The logical conclusion of Democratic rhetoric about Donald Trump is assassination. And so many of them want to act like they have no part in dividing the country. Joe Biden should be apologizing for how divisive he has been. But we know he's not going to. He's just going to try to come in and say the right thing. Let's come together, guys. Let's come together so y'all can see me in a good light.